Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to solve ringtone problem in OnePlus N6. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.